Hi children, good morning. How are you children? Yes, you all are fine and safe. Children, third class children, lesson number 9, social. Workbook part children, open your workbooks. Yes, the first one, okay, the first one children. Multiple choice question it is. Which of the following shows a line on which events are marked in the order in which they took place? Yes, the four options are given there children. One is lifeline, timeline, number line and future. Which one is correct in that? Yes, it is B is correct. Yes. And which of the following is not a source of history? Oral source, written sources, archaeological source and water source. Which one is not? It is D. And next one is fill in the blanks children. The past comes before now. On a timeline, the dash event is on the left hand side. Left hand side, it is first. And very short answer questions children. Which language does the word history comes from? It is Greek. It is Greek. And the sixth one children, give one example of oral history. One example. I have given here two examples. You can write the one. Yes, and it is the stories, songs or songs. Yes. Short answer question children. Give two examples of archaeological sources of history. Of history. What it is? Famous buildings and tools. And tools. Yes. And the next one is children. It is eighth one. True or false children? Jewelry can help us to study our family history. It is true. It is true. And oral sources of history are used to learn languages. It is true. It is true. And we need to study history to know why events happened in the past. Happened in the past. It is true. And history cannot help us learn about the changes in the world. It is false. It is false. And 12th one children, short answer question it is. Mention two reasons why written sources of history are important. Are important. Written sources, answer children. Written sources of history are important because they teach us about famous people and places. They also teach us about the laws of different places. I am repeating the answer once again children. Written sources of history are important because they teach us about famous people and places. They also teach us about the laws of different places. I am repeating the answer once again children. Written sources of history are important because they teach us about famous people and places. They also teach us about the laws of different places. Yes, okay children, just I'll move aside. You please take the screenshot of these answers. Children, 13th one. You want to learn more about your grandmother? Mention two ways of doing so. You have to write on your own children this answer. For example, I can learn more about my grandmother, okay, from old photographs. For example, I am telling you should write on your own this answer. Take the help of your parent and write it. Okay. And the next one children, it is 14th one. Long answer question. What are these two people doing Write how history can help these two people with what they do. Yes, answer children. 14th one. Okay children.